In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an anime style video with Seedance 2.5. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI, that is a platform that you can try for just $1. After you create an account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we need to choose the Seedance 2.5 model. In the duration, I'm going to use 12 seconds, but this is a model where you can create AI videos up to 30 seconds long. In the aspect ratio, I'm going to use 9:16, but if you want the video to be horizontal, you should use 16:9. Now, if you want, you can upload an image of reference or a video, but in my personal case, I'm not going to do it. So now here, where it says write your prompt, I'm going to use the following prompt. This is a prompt where this part is the description of the scene, so you could change it if you want. And this other part is the description of the style of the scene. So if you want to create another video with the same style as mine, you just have to copy this part and change all this other part. So now we have to click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, this anime style video. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section and that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.